guys, how are you all doing? So I'm liking this cute setup in my house. So this is the first thing you see immediately you come in. So I have this white radiator cover just here. It's basically just hiding my radiator, which does not look cute at all. And then just on top of it, I have two plants. I got this plant from Dunelm, I believe, and it was quite inexpensive. I believe I paid about £8 for it. It's a fall plant, so it's basically not real. I don't think I have any real plants in my house. And then I have this cute small diffuser from Rituals, the very famous Rituals diffuser. It smells really beautiful. And this is my pretty face. How are you all doing? I actually haven't asked how you guys are doing. So today is Saturday and I feel like the week has been really long. Actually, I lie. The week has gone by really quickly. I was talking to a friend, I think it was yesterday, and she was like, where has the week gone? To be honest, the week went by really quickly and work for me was so quiet, which I always love. To be honest, I'm not even complaining. Like, let the week just be fast every single week, because who doesn't like a Friday? I mean, there are so many things to look forward to during the weekend. Not like I have anything planned, to be honest. Most of my weekend is basically quiet and kind of boring, to be honest. You might be asking why I'm all dressed up. This is my market outfit. So I'm basically going for some shopping. I need to cook, so I'm going out to do some shopping for the house, food shopping, grocery shopping, basically all the things I need to buy. I'll hopefully get them when I go out. But this is the outfit of the day and I'm really loving it. So I basically just wanted to come on here and start a new vlog, basically. So this is the start of a new vlog and show you my cute setup, which I'm loving. I know I haven't done a house tour. Well, a lot of you have been asking. No one has been asking, but I think I should do a house tour so you guys can see basically what my apartment looks like and whatnot. But I've been hesitant, to be honest. I'm not sure if it's something I really want to do. Yeah, I really don't know. If you guys want to see a house tour from me, if you want to see what my apartment looks like, then definitely let me know. And I might just consider doing a house tour because my house is cute, if I do say so myself. Okay, my house is pretty. I'm an interior designer by night. To be fair, I actually love decorating. I love like making sure that my space looks nice, my space looks welcoming and very cute, and I think I've done a good job with my apartment. So if you guys want to see it, definitely let me know. Okay dokie, let me go and do my shopping and I'll catch you all later. Peace. Stars shining bright above me. Breezes seem to whisper. Dream a little dreamer. Breezes seem to whisper. Hey guys, so I restocked on my favorite skincare product and I thought why not just unbox it with you all so you can see what I use for my face. These products are really good. So they are good for hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone. It helps with hydration and it will just leave your skin glowing basically. I've been using it for a couple of months now and I've seen the difference it has made to my skin. They are not cheap. Some of them are not cheap, some of them are a bit less expensive than the others, but majority of them are actually a bit expensive, but they do wonders to your skin. Trust me, if you have hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, or you just want to glow basically, I would recommend this product to you. I would leave the product names in the description box if you guys want to just have a look and see if they'll be good for your own skin.
For all time's sake. As time goes by.
So I try to deep clean my house once in a month. I try because I don't get to do it all the time. But when I'm free on a Saturday, I don't have much to do. I just like go in on the cleaning, try to deep clean the whole house, make sure that everywhere is looking clean and spank. And yeah, the first step is me basically just changing my sheets, and that's what I'm showing you guys here. So clean with me.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your eyes. Ooh. You're perfect just like this. I'm telling no lies. Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, baby. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bacon. Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. Let's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have.
So after cleaning, I just decided to reward you guys with a mini room tour. So this is basically what my room looks like. It's very simple and minimalistic. I like that there's not a lot of things going on. It's quite light and airy. It's just so beautiful. I also love the color scheme. So as you can see, we have the gray going on, we have the black going on. It's just very beautiful. I love it.
You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bacon. Make it sweet.
After cleaning, I went ahead to make myself a very delicious meal. So here I'm making afang soup. You already know that's my favorite soup. In fact, that's my best meal. And it takes less time to cook. I think it took me less than 30 minutes to prepare really. What takes time is the prep work. So the prep of your meat, the prep of the vegetables, but the actual preparing of the meal takes less than 30 minutes. So to cook afang, you only need 2 leaves. The first leaf is water leaf, which is what I'm currently showing you all. And then the other leaf is okazi, and that's basically what makes up afang. The first step would be to boil your meat, boil your proteins, and once that is boiled, add your palm oil into it. Sorry, I didn't show you guys the full process. But basically, once your meat is boiled, add your palm oil into it and leave that to boil for another 5-10 minutes. Once that is boiled, add your water leaf to it. So you don't need to add water at all because the water leaf has water in it, so you do not need to add any water. So once you add your water leaf to the pot, leave that to boil for, I would say, 5 minutes. And once that is boiled, add your okazi leaf, which is what I was adding earlier on. So add that into the pot, leave that to boil for another 5 minutes. Once that is boiled, literally that is your soup ready. This soup does not take time at all. I would say it took me less than 20 minutes even to prepare. It's the most quickest soup you would ever make. What takes time is the prep work, so boiling of the meat, your proteins, and washing of the vegetables. But aside that, the soup will ready in no time. And then after cooking, of course, you know what time it is. It's time to eat. Time to reap the fruit of my labor. So I'm basically making poundo to eat with the afang soup. I love poundo. I don't think I've had eba in a long time. Poundo is my favorite swallow. So here I'm just making it. moment I've been waiting for. Oh my days, I was so hungry, even though I was still maintaining beauty. The soup turned out really nice, guys. I'm a whole chef, okay? Please put some respect on my name. Chef B in the building. This soup turned out really nice. So please reach out to me for your catering needs, okay? I'll leave my number in the description box for you all. But seriously, girl, she knows how to cook, okay? Wife material, 1 million yards. I mean, the soup was hitting all the right spots. All right, guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye.